Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you could add different elements to your document and how to apply different properties associated with it. So let's get started. So let me first show you how to add a new element into a document which you're editing. You first have to click on the Add Element button under the Element Actions. This is where you get the options to add a text box, an image, a PDF, a signature, or a shape. So let's say first add a text box. So you click on text box, and then you get a pointer, and you could choose on what page and what location inside of that page you can add that element. Once you have that sorted, just click on that, and that element will be added in that particular place. Now to move around the element within the page, you first have to click on it and make sure that it gets selected and the borders are highlighted. This will allow you to either resize or move the document. And similarly, you can just start typing, and then you could also apply all the different properties in the toolbar which are here. If you expand the text box, you'll see more properties will be visible. If you resize the text box and make it, resize the toolbar and make it smaller, to access more properties, just click on the Show More Items button. That's how you add a text box. To delete an item, just select it again and click on Delete Item. Let's add an image. So you select Image, and then you could choose from either the stock images which we provide by default in each account, or you can upload your own image from your computer. All the images uploaded by you will be saved under My Images. So let's say I want to add my company logo to my document. Again, I will choose where I want to place the image and just click and drag and drop on it. Again, select on it, resize, or change the location. Now, there are multiple options available under the element actions once you have an element selected. It could be an image or it could be a text box. You will have all these options which are available for you. So let me step by step show you all the things which you could do. First things, you can send an image either to the front, which means that this will, if you use this option, it will place that image or element as the first item on your page. If you choose Bring Forward, it moves an element or an image step by step forward towards your document. Similarly, send to back and send backwards. Now, most interesting feature is Repeater. So let's say I design this logo and put it on the footer of my document. And I want to make sure that it automatically appears on all the pages at the location I have chosen. All you've got to do is just select the element and then click on Repeater. Once you mark it as a repeater, you will see all the pages that particular element will be repeated. And if you make changes to this on any page, it will be reflected on all the pages. Isn't that cool? There are some other element actions which you could do. Like if you have an image, you can do rounded corners to make it look nice. You can also increase and decrease the opacity of an image, or for that matter, any element. You can also rotate any element as you wish to. And you could also change the background color of any page. Just by clicking on Change Background Color, and select what color you'd like. And most importantly, you will see whatever changes you make are auto-saved. So you don't have to bother about saving everything and fearing of losing your work in case you don't save something. We have auto-save, which is built in. Last, let's see how we can add a shape. You click on shape, you can add a circle, rectangle, or a line. If you want to add a rectangle, place it wherever you'd like to, select it, resize it, and then you could apply all these properties. You can change the color or do whatever changes you want. You place it here and select it and click on send to back. It will automatically go towards the back of this element, which is the text box. Then if you have to bring it forward, just click on bring to front and this will appear on top of the element. So that's how bring to front and bring to backward works. You could also duplicate an element. So once you create an element and you don't want to rework on it again, all you've got to do is click on it and click on duplicate element and drag and drop it wherever you'd like to place it. So that saves a lot of work. So that way you have a lot of editing features which are available and lots of elements which you could add. To watch the signature element, watch our video how to use digital signatures. So that's the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Keep watching this space for more about x.doc. Thanks for watching.